Okay, right. In the same pattern, okay, next one we have here week formats are there. So come to week format intervals are again two intervals here. Okay, and these two intervals how it was showing now. Observe. So your WW means that it returns what now week of the year. So that means yearly how many weeks? 52. So 52 weeks. So out of 52 weeks, today, as per my system data, okay, 14 March 2023. So this 14 March 2023, this okay day, that means this day is comes under which at the week out of 52. Out of 52, this is comes under which at the week. That was written by okay, what we called WW. But when we come to W, week of the month, in month sometimes 4 weeks, sometimes 5 weeks are there. So in your month, 14 is comes under which at the week in the month. So that will be written. Okay. Now, for example, let me go for and right now 2 underscore char of so sys date, and now I'm doing www and from dual. Okay, now so in entire the year, this is a 11th week. In the month March, this is a second week. Understand? Na? So out of 52 weeks, this is a 11th week. Out of 4 weeks, this is second week. Okay, right down below. Okay, now so these are complete your okay, and week, quarter, day, month, and years. The same as after years, we have a time intervals also. We have it here. So come back to your time intervals. So what are the time intervals here? Observe. In time format intervals, there are some intervals here. So HH, hour part, okay, in 24 hours format. Okay, in 12 hours format, this will be written for you, 12 hours format. And HH24, if you are given now, then it will be returns 24 hours format. So MI is nothing but what? No, minutes. MI, it's a minute part. Next, what we have here, seconds. So as seconds part. So your AM or PM. So it will be representing your day timings. Is it A or B? Okay. And is all together this intervals if I'm using in my 2 underscore char. So now we just pass it here, HH, okay, and HH 24 hours format, MI and seconds. Suppose if I'm giving AM, but it was converting into PM. So hours in 12 hours format, the time is 2. Hours in 24 hours format, 14. And seconds, milliseconds, sorry, minutes and seconds. And I was given here what now? AM, but it was showing what? PM. Okay, no? So these are the time intervals we called. Okay, right. So these are complete which related to date and time informations. And now these intervals, how to use here. We will see a few examples now. Okay, right down below. Write a query to display employees, who are joined, okay, in 1981 by using to_char function. By using to_char function. Okay, let me come out and see. So who are joined in 1981? Those people I need to find out by using of a to_char. So how this function can be used to finding the people who are joining into particular year. And this is actually your table. Okay, na? The 1981 people we have it here. Okay, so those people information I want to fetch from my table. So I'm writing like your select a star from EMP where what is the column here? Hire date. So, but before hire date, what I want to use a to_char of in the position of sys date. I'm giving sys date. In the position of sys date, I want to use what now? Hire date, comma. Here, which interval are you passing? Same format of value should be given. For example, I'm passing here y. Okay, is equals to here already we knows this 4. Okay, the format that is y. This interval will return. It will be written your year in which format? 4 digits are 2 digits are 4 digits. But 4-digit format it will be written for us. But I'm using, for example, 81. I want it 1981, so I'm using 81. But what it was happening here, the previous our examples, what we discussed. So this function will be returning, okay, your year part in which format? 4 digits format. That means 1981 is equals to 81. Condition true or false? False. So condition is not matching. When it was not matching, it shows some no results here. Understand now? But 1981 people are not there, but it was showing no rows. So why? Because why it was showing no rows means your condition is not a match. So that's why which interval are you passing? Same format of value should be sent. Then only format will be match. Okay. Now it is not possible. But the same thing if I'm giving 1981, can I? Now we can see what it was happened. The 1981 people, total how many people are there? 10 people. 10 people. So 10 people are there who are joined in 1981. Okay. So here I was used here 4 digits of intervals. That's why 4-digit format value pass. Same as, for example, if I'm giving here 2 digits of intervals, how to pass now? So 1981 is not allowed. So you can pass what? 81. So now 81 you can come out. Okay, na? Then you will get. Same as if next one is there year. But year format, before I want to use, I just call it year. Select 2 underscore care of higher date. I'm sending what is now year. Okay, so now I'm passing years. Let you see every year will be showing us in my table. So first 1980s, so 1980, 1981, 81, 81, 81, 82, 81, 81, 83, 81, 82. Okay, so this is completely in the spelling text format. Who you wanted here? 1981. Okay, so now I'm writing my condition. What is my condition for this year? My interval is YEAR is equals to, now I want to send this entire text information I have to send. What is the text information? 1981. Okay, and YEAR, year interval also returns your year information in the text format. So now I just go to execute. So 1981 people successfully we got it. Yes. So there are 3 different intervals. You can use any one interval, but which interval are you passing? Your value also must be in the same format. Okay. 4 digits means 4 digits. 2 digits means 2 digits. Text format means text format. Okay. Right down below. Okay. In these 3 levels, any one level you can use right down below. So now understand now the intervals, how to use it. Getting some idea? Yes or no? Ah, okay. So next write down. Write a query to display employees. So who are joined in 1980s, 1982, 1983. Okay, by using to underscore char function. By using to underscore char function. Okay, hmm. Can you try this? Huh? Write down. So take 3 minutes of time. Last 2 minutes. Last minute. Wrong. Check करो. Last 1 minute. Wrong. Check करो. Go. Wrong. Time is over. Wrong. The cap, yellow. Come. Next, girls. Only one person. See, yourself, you can come and show, no problem. Otherwise, I'm calling. Okay, na? The blue color cap. Come. Go. This is yours. Which is yours? This is. This is. Come, come. Why you are bringing? Huh? Come, come. Bring out. Huh? उठ नहीं पा रहा है? काली या ज्यादा? ट्राई करो जा. ट्राई कर जा. Condition. Why you are writing that many? Huh? Check it out. Wrong. Check. Try good. Sit. I will call you. I will call you. Yeah. Sit on. Wrong. Wrong. Single quote missing. You are giving single quotes here. You are not giving. Put it single quotes. Wrong. Single quotes. Why you missed? Everywhere single quotes missed. No. Okay. Sit. Sit. I will come. हाँ बाद में देता हूँ. हाँ किसका ये? Wrong. Girls. How many? Spets. Come. Black dress. Black or blue? Yours. Blue, huh? Come. Why these many times? One time is enough, na? Checker. That last girl, Spets, come. Good. Yes, some mistake is there. This is totally wrong. Here's some mistakes. You can check here. Wrong. ఎక్కడ Oh, why you are writing these many queries? Single query, you can write in one query enough. Last one. They should be right here. Okay, na? In place of this. You come here. You. Here, put it single quotes. Okay, right. So some people are why they're writing three conditions means three queries. Why they are writing like that? There is no need three queries, na? In one query you can write three conditions. Yes or no? And still some people, okay, so they're using R operator. Why are you using R operator? Even I'm accepting, because that is also correct, but why you are using R operator three conditions? Instead of R operator, in operator can use na simple. In operator is there. Why we want to use in operator? Comparing of group of values. Yes or no? So even though so many people hard work they did, writing of three conditions, R operator. Right. Anyway, in or who written, that was okay, correct. And somebody missing double quotes, single quotes. Who is this book? So these are all our rights guys here. So these guys almost these people writing, okay, correct. And but so many strikes here. Don't use next time. Don't use without any strike. I want it. Okay. Come. Where is here? You also don't use a strike. Okay. Right. Next, this book. Good. Yours, sir? Whose book here? This book, who is this? Your son? Good. This is your son? All right, good. Your books. Are you copied, huh? No, no? Who is this book? Yours book. Who is this book? Yours. Sorry, I didn't say your book. Huh? Wrong, Amma. These books, who kept here? Myself, I kept. Huh? You people kept. Huh? Who is this? Oh. Single quotes missing. Okay. Next time, don't repeat like, okay? Why 2 times you written? This book? Good. Yours. Good. Whose book? Sit, sit, sit. I will pass it. Pass. Okay, so here R operator you can use no problem. That is also correct. But instead of writing that many conditions, okay, so simply you can use like so what do you say here y or y whatever you can take. But so many people missing single quotes. Okay, na compulsory you should give it that. Okay, na. So don't miss it that. And simply you can use n operator and the what values here. First of all, I'm saying 1980s. Okay. Next, 1982. Okay, comma. Next, 1983. So many students are some little bit mistakes also they done. So, but next time don't repeat that mistakes. Okay, na? Now. So single quotes, year single quote, year single quotes, everywhere in the good format you can write. Okay. So now here 1980s, 82 and 83 people has come out. So wherever you did mistakes, identify that mistakes and rectify that. Okay, na? Now where you miss, even the single quotes also I'm not accepting. Okay, na? Properly write down. Next, can you try one more? Write down. Write a query. I will give one. I will show you one example. Then you can write. Okay. Write a query to display employees. So who are joined in the month of okay, suppose in the month of I'm giving some May. Okay, so by using 1 second, May month is there or not there? Okay, by using 2 underscore cat. Okay, so month. Which month we are expecting? May. So now let me come out and see. Okay, in the month of May, who was joined? So here I want to use some intervals are mm. Mm means what now? Month. Month is in which format? Number format, is it? So May means what now? 5, yes or no? 5 month. So sorry, 05. So month 05, who was joined here? Only one person. The person name is what now? Blake. Right on below. Okay. The next example, try this. Write a query to display employees who are joined in the month of December, in the month of December in 1981. In the month of December in 1981. Okay, by using to underscore cat. So now you know here, you know month. Okay, na? Can you write now? Write down. So take 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Spaces. Why are you giving space? Don't give spaces. Okay, na? Add it. Okay, right. Check. Last minute. Check it out. Open closing brackets. Okay. So do this. Wrong. Check condition again. Check condition there. Check. Your time is over. Check it once. Space is there? No space. Sure. Space is there or not there? Sure. Okay, go. Your book. Are you keeping space here? Space is required or not required? Think. Space is needed or not needed? Needed, huh? Check it out. Needed or not needed? Right. Open, closing. Check the condition. Comma is there, huh? 1981, comma, 12, huh? No comma. Comma is there or not there? Huh? చెప్పు ఉందా లేదా ఉందా check it once check once check check once why and
this one they check this on this and is compulsory board to
then why are you writing R? If that knowledge is there, then why use R? Huh? Space is there or not there? There, huh? There or not there? हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ स्पेस है कि नहीं है नहीं है कंफ्यूज हो रहा है चेक करो हाँ check it once character number can you writing check it out once again why you people are splitting here I don't understand why you are splitting here check it out कहाँ है यही और ये कौन सा comma there comma there or not there there huh check what is my question here December 1981 Where is 1981? आपने लिखा है month only. This one check. Okay, right. Okay. Whose book? This book? Come collect your books here. This book? This one? Good. Whose book? Whose book this? Space is there or not the check? Check space. You also. Space is there or not the check? Not there, huh? Sure. Go. Who's this book? Good. Right. पेन किसका है? Okay, right. Come and take this. Is yours? No. Okay. So now here end operator you can use, no problem. Multiple conditions because of a same row. Otherwise you can write okay, yes, y, or else y also can take, no problem. Okay. And now I'm going to taking here. So 12, 1981. Space is there? Not there. So now in December 1981, there are two people. So some people keeping commas, some people keeping spaces. Okay, na? So don't put it like this. Okay, write down. Next example, write down. See, don't hurry, buddy. Properly check and come. Okay, na? Without a strike, maximum try. Now I will see. Without a strike, you can write and come down. Okay, so don't strike it. Without strike, take time, no problem. But don't strike it. Okay, na? Can you write like this? Everyone. Is it one challenge for you? Without any strike. I will give some time period. In the time period, who will write, I will check. Okay. I think now you can write, all of you. I think so. Because already logics are, you know. Okay, try it, all of you. Write a query to display employees. So who are joined in third quarter of 1981. So the time is 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes enough now? Okay, without any strike. Okay. So the third quarter of 1981. So your time start now, 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Space is there. Go. Go. So time up. So only these people. Remaining people I don't want. Time up. So how many people written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, 7 people, 6 people. Only 6 people. What, yeah? Time 2 minutes now. Who is this? Wrong year. I didn't see your question. So one person cut. This book. Three quarter. Different months. Months. Third quarter means different month people will come. So is it okay now? R operator. End operator, R operator. That is end operator, R operator. Sure. Quarter means 3 months will come. So now you're writing 3. 3. This is okay now? I'm asking, yeah. Is it okay now? Or you want to change here? No change. Sure. It is not come. It's not come. R operator is not come. This is okay. Condition is okay. I'm asking this one. Is it okay now? Any changes here? No changes. Good. Whose book? This book? Right here. No need. These 3 things are not necessary. Okay, na? So in place of this, you can give quarter, give it a quarter format. Okay, check. What I said without strike, I want it, na? Correct, but don't make it strike. Okay, stop it, guys. Okay, right. So next one, the quarter. So here also same, in place of mm, give it what? Quarter Q, and it was right your, okay, year. So that's enough here. How to write now? 3 1981. 3 1981. Correct? All of you written? Hmm. So now only the person, two people was joined in the third quarter of 1981, Martin and Turner. So otherwise, one more way. If anybody tried like this, check it out. One more way. Quarter is equals to 3 and anybody written like this? 2 underscore care of, what is this? Higher date YYY is equals to 1981. In this two, who written like this, correct? And okay, somebody tried like this also. Okay, that's somebody tried here. So there's somebody put it like this. Okay, so 1981 3. Okay, na? In these three formats, anybody written? Anyone? Three formats. Raise your hand. How many people written out of these three? No, I'm not ask, I'm asking like this because I will confuse. First format, who people written? All of you. Can I come and check? Okay. Second format, who written? End operator using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From girls, no one. No one tried, huh? And okay. Next, this format. Third format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The remaining people, what about here? Remaining people, almost 200 people sitting here. Maximum 10, 3, 6. Only 20, 30 people only. Huh? So remaining 170 people. Not written, huh? This is very important topic here. Interview compulsory questions, interviews. 2 underscore care is one of the most important function. Okay, na? Database interviews or else any Java related interviews, compulsory one question come from this 2 underscore care. Okay, right. So in this, any one you can choose. Okay, that all are correct. So now, but I'm taking a 1 year, any one as your choice. Okay, right. So now these are what now 2 underscore care function, how we can go to use in our what we can say, the finding of your people who are joined in so and so month, okay, year, quarters, like this. Okay, now we got it, 2 underscore care, how to use. Yes or no? Do practice also your side. Okay, now next one, take second one, 2 underscore date. 2 underscore data. Okay, so this function we are using, guys, here, okay, to convert string to Oracle default data format. To convert a string to Oracle default date format. Can you tell me what is the Oracle default date format? Come on. Date format is what? Default date format is what? DD MON YY. Okay, right. So in that format, it will be converted. So 2 underscore date of now you can send your string. Okay. So come to one example on this here. The string, okay, if are you passing here along with your string, select 2 underscore date of, so now see, I'm sending some string here. 12 slash, I'm using here August, okay, slash, so I'm using 2022, I'm passing. So this is actually my string expression. This is not a Oracle, it's not a date format. This is called a string format. So whenever we are passing string format of expression, that expression will converting into Oracle default date format. Oracle default date is what now? DD dash MON dash YY. Okay, na? Right. In the same pattern to this string expression, suppose I'm going to adding your 10 days, I'm adding now. So 12 plus 10 days, what is the next date? 22, but the 22 is also returns in which format? Oracle default format. Suppose if I'm using here, for example, okay, so minus 10, if I'm using now, then it was previous 2nd August 2022, the last 2 digits. Okay, na? But whatever we are passing a string, the string will be converting into date format type, right down below. What is that chair on chair? Mobile. Where is your notes here? Huh? And one time should write here, then why are you coming classes? Google class tomorrow, today onwards Google class I'm not sending. Huh? What do you want to do? See, don't tell that silly things. Okay, na? So writing is one of the good habit, you know. This is not picture, na, coming and saying and going. See, 100 times listening, 1 time writing is best. Put down, foot down it. Your foot down it here. You also down it foot. When you want to keep that foot on you, you know, earning your foot on money in a 1 rupee money on your foot you will be earning, na? Then you can keep it like this. Okay. No, see, try it here. If anything without writing, na, you didn't understand. And I know that we are very intelligent. After step out from this classroom, na, everything Gajani. Now why I'm testing in the classroom, everyone? So writing is one of the good habit. Okay, writing, listening is a good habits. But you are see, I already explained one example. I said to you one example. I told you one student interview example. No, one of our student, our Oracle batch student, your batch, no, 6 months back, he went to one interview, Oracle database interview. Okay, no? Interview is 1.5 hours. You know that? He went to the company, is a small cabin is there. In the cabin, the interview person and this guy was there. Okay, na? So the interview person, what they said, you don't want to do anything, just go and stand there. I'm very serious. I'm telling, it's not joke. Otherwise, get out from the class. No problem. Okay, na? So 1.5 hour interview, and interview person saying that don't tell anything, go and stand. So he went to somewhere, some distance. There is white board is there. like this. Some here not there. Whiteboard is there. So he said, there is one marker. So take it. He was taking marker. Okay, na? So now he was sitting in 2%, just 5 to 6 feet distance. The guy was standing in front of board, whiteboard, and he was asking question. So what he was telling the interview person, don't tell your lie, that means don't tell like a word type or mouth. Okay, don't use. Everything you should write on the board. Okay, na? You don't give any response. You just listen my question, write query. So like 1.5 hour, almost he told me, sir, my expectation, I written almost 50 to 60 queries I written, sir, on board. But how many write, I don't know. That the student was told me like that. I don't know, sir, but he was asking almost 50 to 60 queries, and 50 to 60 queries I was written on the board, either right or wrong, I don't know, but I written. He was asking each and everything in a written only. Okay, na? So finally he did 1.5 hour interview in front of one person, and everything will be written. Means in that position, if you go, legs shivering, hands, yes or no? If anybody having a low BP, fall down immediately. So there he was, after watch, that means observing the 1.5 hour is over, and he said, go and wait outside, I will call later. So already time was almost, he was started 11 or something, 12:30 over, he came outside. Calling means this guy was what now? That is called as a interest, life ka value, yes or no? That's what. So that student, he didn't go even though to take lunch. He was sitting in the reception hall. He know time is 1 o'clock. Okay, he want to go and take lunch, but the interview person, what he said, go and sit, I will call later. I will call later. That's what, timing was not given anything. So if the guy was not interested on that interview, on the career, on job, immediately he will go outside to take some food, yes or no? But he didn't go outside. He's sitting here only. And this interview person 2 times came up, observing, going, observing, going. So finally he called 3 o'clock. Up to 3 o'clock, morning 11 to 3 o'clock, he didn't take lunch or tiffin. He directly complete. That means he felt what he felt. He told me, sir, in my mind is only one thing. So eating or not eating is not important for me, but job. I want to get this job. That is what they target. So 3 o'clock he called, and again he went to room. So sitting after 1 and 3 hours, that means 1.5 hour standing position, then he will give permission to sit. So the guy was sitting, and he didn't tell anything, your performance, what, nothing. But what he was appreciated to him, your patience is there, na? I was flat, your patience. Excellent. So why this much time? Why you didn't go lunch? He's asking question. He said, no, sir, I don't want lunch. I want it. What happened to my interview? This is my first goal, sir. After that, I know after pass or fail, I should go and eat something. I know that, but I wanted a result. That's why I'm waiting. So he was very appreciated. So first thing is patience, the way of respect, setting way style. Okay, and this all they calculated, and finally said, performance, leave it. How many? I asked some questions. You written something in that. How many right or wrong? I didn't tell you, but the way of patience you have, that I like very much. So you selected 2.8 lakhs package on Oracle. So he came next day and he met me, and he told, like, this is a situation happened, sir. So I was so much tight, sir, yesterday. Okay. So I called into my classroom, like your some 250 students are sitting here, and he came on the dais, and I said, "Tell me your experience, how you feel, how you felt there. Okay, what kind of situation is happening in interview?" So he was explained half an hour to the students. At the time, I am also listening what he was saying that. Huh? So that is what your job, career, hmm? that you want it. See, everybody have a parents. Parents are keeping something for you. I know that, but that is not mine. Na? Yes or no? Your father, whatever you kept, that is not yours. Na? Yours, huh? No. You have any right? Any right to directly go and take your father is having 100 crores. Can you take 100 crores? No. When your father is giving permission, only can take. You can go to any court, high court, supreme court. Go and file. I wanted my father entire assets. Go and file. Do you have that much day? Even though you file also, the judge will be slap you. You know that? You know that legal procedures, whatever it is, you know that now? A father asset, even the father 1 rupee money also, as a son, I don't have any rights to take without my father permissions. You can go and file in court, high court, supreme court, whatever. He will say you don't have a rights. That money, that assets is your father's. You don't have any rights. Otherwise, you can ask your father only. Daddy, my faculty was saying this is correct or wrong. Ask. You don't have a right, but one person have a right. He can take. Officially, legally, he can take. Who is that? Grandson. Okay, na? Son, no rights. Grandson is there, na? He will fight his grandfather. Because every grandfather, every 1 rupee money, he have a grandson have a right. He can take. Even he can go to file in the court, na? Entire set will come to grandson. That legally that is possible. But son will go, na? Chappal se marenge. Chappal. That's why what I am telling, don't expect anything from your father. Your father so much given. Education, who will give it here? Higher educations. BTech, MTech, MCA, who will give it? Education given, na? That's enough, father. The responsibility is over. For son, I'm telling. For daughter purpose, successful marriage. Over, responsibility. Yes or no? Girls' purpose, marriage. That is their responsibility. Boys' purpose, up to education only. Their responsibility. After that, na, that is not their responsibility. If you say, get out from my home, you say like that, na, immediately have to get out. Yes or no? Tell me. Do you have any rights? Huh? Are you saying like this? Then no, this is my house. Huh? Are you saying like that? But there are fathers. That's why they don't tell like that. Huh? Yes or no? If they're saying that, girls' purpose, they don't say anything. Girls is different life because they're going to somewhere. But you are a Fevikick now. You are a Fevicol. Sticking with father, mother only. Up to marriage. मैरिज आने के बाद छोड़ देते हैं, फादर मदर को छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. Stupid works ना, that was. Up to your education, your job, your good and bads, everything is father mother. एक लड़की आया, चलो उसके साथ. और ये इतना साल का क्या होता है फादर का मदर का? Today whatever you are sitting here because of your father. But एक मैरिज होने के बाद पूरा छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. How much stupid ना? We are all are educated, but we are leaving our father and mother. So that's why don't expect anything father. Father, whatever it was, give it, take it. But don't force him. Understand? So that is what that student that much suffered on the day. Okay. So now finally I asked personally, Why, yaar? Why this much? That means waiting this much. Why you can go to other interview? And he said, no, sir. My main reason is what, sir? Why I didn't take any lunch means because of my family. Because my family financial very struggle, sir. So this job is must and should. I want it, sir, this job. It may be 2.8. Even though he was offering me like a 2.1 or 1.8 also, I'm ready to take the job, sir, because my family. He's not a married, but he's thinking his father, mother, family background. So he thought that much. That's why, sir, I'm standing 1.5 hour. I'm sitting almost up to 3 without any lunch because of in my mind only one thing is roaming. What is that? It was circling. What is that? Job and family. If job miss ho gaya to financially very struggle. So I want to support my family. So in that the two thoughts, he was getting job. So that is what I'm telling here. So right, see, suddenly that kind of situation is happened to you now. Maybe how many people writing queries on the board? Here you do some practice and writing notes, doing some works by writing now. It will be printed in your mind. Yes or no? Printed. You know that somebody's have a habit in your school, colleges, examinations. When you're writing board exams, some people reading and writing. Yes or no? First they're reading whatever they're reading, and later without seeing the notebook and that all they will be practicing mathematics. Yes or no? Or some physics formulas, chemistry formulas. Did you do in your college days? No, sir. This much quality. We don't have this much important qualities. Bad qualities, sir. We don't have it, sir. We will all are one day batting, sir. Tomorrow exam is today night. Day and night. Tomorrow going writing. By God grace, pass. But nowadays, one more fashion in Hyderabad. You know, in Hyderabad, if a student was clearing all subjects, no one respect. Which student is having a backlog now, he is a hero in colleges. It's a trending now in Hyderabad engineering colleges. I don't know your side how it is your circle, but in Hyderabad trending. Trending, what is a trending, you know? Backlogs, if you have a backlogs, you are a hero, heroine. Really, everyone seeing like that. Hey, 4 backlogs here. What a great person here. Good. Maybe that is commenting, otherwise they are appreciated, what we don't know. But if one guy was there, one girl is there, she or he was clearing all the subjects, when they're coming on the compound, they're saying that, waste fellow. They're like, they didn't even though respect to us. क्या हुआ मतलब क्या ये हर बार पढ़ते रहता है ये every moment study, yes sir. What about subject? All are clear, sir. 90% student. We don't want it. 90%. Go. We wanted only backlogs people. That is one of the fashion nowadays in engineering colleges, especially. That is a fashion. But when the fashion will, end of the year, at that time he will be. You know that nowadays generation like that, and in next generation, what they are saying that all subjects are backlogs, sir. I'm the hero number 1. They're not passing, sir. No, sir. One subject also not pass. And faculty is also coming same like that. Pass mat ho na yaar. Time pass karke chala jate hain. The next generation. Okay. So be serious on the subject. Yeah, not only this, whatever your career subjects are there, all you can make it some seriousness. Write something in the classroom. Don't sit like, see, I'm sending notes. That is not a big matter. You know that? Sending notes is not a big matter. But how much you understanding, how much you gain. See, if I'm asking, why I'm asking some questions? Because if I do like this, at least for my question purpose only, you will be trying something. Yes or no? When I'm asking, okay, sir is asking something, we also try something. For that purpose only I'm asking. This is not a college or school who are getting first class, second class. No, but who are getting a job now, we are very happy for that. Okay, na? So you know that if any student was going to get a job, who will be first person? He's the happiest person. Tell me, parents, really? No parents here. First Guru. Sir, Guru. Who is Guru, sir? I know. Guru का meaning भी आजकल different हो गया. It's what different word of Guru. That means you are teacher. Yeah. First, even though parents are happy or not, secondary. But first person who is your happiest person, one student is selected means faculty was very happy. But he didn't show you, but internally he was enjoying, that kind of situation. So many I faced that. I didn't show them, I didn't tell them, but internally I'm proudly saying to other person. If other persons came, I said, hey, one of my student TCS, superb. So I'm telling, that means I'm telling to others what is my internal feeling. Maybe a faculty is not telling in front of you. They're giving, okay, congrats, seconds, up to there it was happened. But now outside person when come now, when this faculty is meeting to someone, okay, now he was telling now, oh, my student, excellent student, superb student, we got TCS. So that all enjoyness, the feelings he will be felt when he was telling to someone. So after that, your parents. Okay, now first Guru is the happiest person. If you selected, you settled anywhere. Then after, definitely parents. Parents are second. Okay. So that is what. So that we are expected. So that we are expecting in Naresh IT also expecting, that is what. And if you're getting any placements, your photo also come into one big, what is that? Pamphlets, yes. Banners, your photo will be there. Oh my God, photo, You want to see like this, no? Then try it. Definitely your photo also taken by Naresh IT. And that photo was printed on big banners. Okay. Try it. So many people like that. You see some banners are there below. Yes or no? Observed, huh? Some banners, some student photos are there. Try like that, yeah. Clear? So up to conversation, that means a single row functions are we completed except one function, that is what now? Analytical functions. Okay, na? So analytical functions I will explain to you along with the subqueries, because if along with subqueries you will get some clarity on this, what is what. Okay, and now these are all that comes under single row. Only one value will be written for us. And next one is what now? Multiple row functions are grouping functions. Okay, na? So this is, we will see on tomorrow session. So tomorrow we will finish it functions, and if it is up to now whatever we discussed, these are all comes under basics of SQL language. From tomorrow onwards we will enter into main topics like joins, primary key, foreign key relations, normalizations, subqueries. Yes or no? From classes, from tomorrow onwards every topic is a main